Hey guys, how you doing? It's Steve Quillian from Wood Window Makeover, the General of the Artisan Army. You know, when you're restoring a sash, in my opinion, the first thing you want to do is get the glass out. And getting the glass out is a lot of work, but if you do it like I do it, it's actually pretty easy and it doesn't take very long. I start with this tool here. This is the paint shaver, and what this does is that takes the paint right off of the flats really fast and really easy. Doesn't take a whole lot of effort. Alright, so this is the Pro Scraper. What this does is it gets any residue that the paint shaver left behind and gets everything really nice and close to the wood. So this is, when you do the paint shaver first, the Pro Scraper isn't a whole lot of work either. So you gotta follow the right order of operations. Notice that I also scrape the nose of the profile while I'm at it. Then I'll grab this tool here. This is an orbital sander, and what the orbital sander does, really, it vibrates the remaining glazing. If there's any glazing that's going to fall out that's loose, it's going to fall out when I sand the sash. So look how nice and clean this is already. The flats here that you see are just about ready to prime. So this is my steam cabinet here, and take this sash out. So I can put my next one in, right? This is the one I just stripped. I'm gonna let it cook for 45 minutes or so. You can see what it does. It really loosens that glazing up and allows me to just take it out really easy. So easy, it's almost not even fair. So this is the power of the steam cabinet, right? So now, unfortunately though, you have to let the sash dry out, so I'll have to do the heat gun tomorrow. But it's ready to go. You'll see how easy the glass comes out in just a second. Well, here it goes. Oh, there it goes. Good catch, huh? Well, that's how you get the glass out using my methods. Thanks for watching.